Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Gap, because the actual unemployment rate, 9%, is higher than the natural rate of unemployment, 5%, indicating cyclical unemployment and underutilized resources. See a PPC graph with consumer and capital goods on? The axes would show point A inside the curve, reflecting inefficient production due to high unemployment. The labor force participation rate will decrease. Discouraged workers who stop looking for work are removed from the labor force. Since the labor force, numerator, decreases, while the working age population, denominator, remains constant, the rate falls. D. Work, they are no longer counted as unemployed. Both the numerator, unemployed, and the denominator, labor force, decrease by the same number, which mathematically reduces the unemployment.